Find out this value. So first we can write, there is the 7 and this is the, we can write this, and this is the, we can write this, the 15 we can write 3 into 15, and this is half, we can write this, and this is, and now again the in this, and this is the 4, this is the 3, and this is the 5, and now take the common of this. So now take the common. So there is the 7 minus 4 and this 3. This is up, and there is the, there is, this is, we can write the, this is, we can write 2 root 3, and this is the 2ab, this is a, this is b, so there is the a, so this is, we can write the 2 square is 4, and this is the root 3, and root 3 square is 3, so there is the half, and now there is the root 5, and there is the a square, and this is the b square, and this is the a, this is the b, so we can write this is the 2 square, and this is the root 3, this is the square, and this is the 2 root 3, and this, so we can write this, and from here we can write this is the root 5, and this is the a square, this is the b square, this is the minus 2ab, and so there is the 2 minus root 3, this is the square, and this is the half. We can write this is the root and this is the half, so this is root 5, we can write the this, and this is the half again, and root, so we can write the plus minus, and there is the 2 minus root 3, and there is the 2 plus, this is, we can write, and now this plus minus, this is the 5, 1 by 4 this power, and this is the cut here, so there is the 2 minus root 3, and this is, simply we can write the, this is 4, so this root 4 and the 2 minus root 3. So this is the value of this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.